So first thing first, you need to sign in on the YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And after that, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV and ensure subscription is still active. Because you cannot watch One American News with not having YouTube TV base plan first. And then to buy the YouTube TV base plan, you want to go to your top right of your screen. And then you want to click right here on the store icon. Then you want to click on all to see all the networks. And then on the YouTube TV network, you want to click on it. And then you want to add YouTube TV base plan to your membership by paying for $60 per month, and you can get free trial. So just click on next and then complete your purchase with your credit card, debit card, or even your PayPal. And then to watch One American News or OAN, you want to go to your top right of your screen, but this time click on the search icon. And then you want to search for One. And here on One American News, you want to click on it. And then you may scroll down and see the live session of the One American News. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch One American News on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.